Welcome back to our Florida Suncoast Real Estate Channel. Do you really need perfect credit to buy a home? Spoiler alert, no, you don't. Today we're going to bust that myth wide open. In just a few minutes, you'll learn the truth about credit scores, what lenders actually look for, and best of all, how you can get ready, prepare to buy a home, even if your score isn't perfect. But first, after our pitiful property punchline, I'll give you a free link to 5 property valuation tools. And that's going to help you get the very best price on any home, whether you buy or sell. Here's today's property punchline, or joke of the day. You ready? Why don't skeletons buy homes? They can't handle the mortgage. Now let's dig into today's topic. Do you know what credit score you really need to buy a home? Data says most people don't know. Only 32% of potential buyers have any idea of what a lender actually requires. And most folks overestimate what's needed. The truth is, you don't need perfect credit to buy a home, not today. Many lenders offer options for a wide range of credit scores. That's why, of course, talking to a trusted lender first, early on, is a key. A lender can show you what loans you qualify for and explain their terms, from FHA loans to conventional. There are a lot of options out there, and there's likely something that fits your situation, even if it takes you 3 or 6 or 9 months to get there. If you want to boost your score for better terms or more loan options, you can focus on a few simple steps. Number 1, of course, pay your bills on time. Pay down outstanding debt. Hold off on applying for any new credit, big or small. These little changes can make a big impact over time. Your credit score is going to go sky high. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. You might be closer to home ownership than you think. You need help getting started? I'll connect you with a lender today, and you can take that first step towards owning a dream home. And don't forget to grab that free link to 5 property valuation tools. It's in the description below. They're going to help you plan your next move and value any property anywhere. Thanks again for checking out the channel. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time on the beach or in the next video. Peace.